Hi, this is Priyanka. Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. Time for daily market updates. Today, Thursday, a day of expiry. Today, the Nifty opened in a positive terrain at 14,875 and remained higher throughout the session. The index touched an intraday high of 14,984 but wiped out some gains in the last hour of trade to hit a day's low of 14,821 before closing almost 54 points higher at 14,873. Strong global cues, dovish monetary policy, and expectations of strong March quarter supported bullish sentiment. Domestic market continued its optimistic rally supported by dovish monetary policy, though it witnessed consolidation during the second half due to selling in the banking stocks. Indian markets remained volatile, but indices managed to close in the green for the third consecutive day despite profit taking at higher levels. Benchmark indices ended on a positive note for the third straight day amid volatility. The S&P BSE Sensex failed to hold on to 50,000 levels and the Nifty also closed below 14,900, but the overall trend still remains on the upside. At close, the Sensex was up by almost 84 points at 49,746 and the Nifty was up by almost 54 points at 14,873 levels. It was seen that Nifty traded higher throughout the session amid volatility and was backed by metals, IT, selected FMCG and auto stocks. The market was successful in crossing 14,950 but failed to sustain them. Market reversed from there in a few minutes and have closed below 14,900 levels. If the market is able to get past the 14,950 level on a closing basis, then the market could move higher to 15,300 to 15,400 levels. Bears appeared to be gaining the upper hand with their counter-attacks at higher levels as bulls were forced to whipsaw their breakout, which otherwise looked to be decisive at one point with an intraday high of 14,984. But the selling pressure in the post-luncheon session brought down the Nifty towards its opening point, which resulted in an indecisive doji kind of formation. The index formed a doji pattern on the daily charts as the closing was near its opening levels. A doji candle indicates that there is some indecisiveness amongst the bulls and the bears and bounces were being sold in the absence of follow-up buying interest. The Nifty formed a doji candle as after a wild swing within the range of 160 points. It closed near the opening levels but closed in the green with gains of around 50 points. This kind of behavior on the part of bulls only adds more to uncertainty about the upside rallies. Experts advise buying only if index decisively closes above 14,900 mark. Experts additionally advise intraday traders to short below 14,820 levels and look for a modest target close to 14,700 levels. Buying the index should not be considered unless a strong close is witnessed above 14,900 levels. India VIX moved up marginally by 0.31%. Option data indicated that the Nifty could see a wider trading range of 14,500 to 15,200 levels for the coming session. Maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 levels followed by 14,500 strike, while the maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 followed by 16,000 strike. Minor call writing was seen at 15,000 then 15,200 strike, while minor put writing was seen at 14,900 and 15,000 strike. Bank Nifty continued forming higher highs from the last two trading sessions. Bank Nifty opened with a gap up at 33,154 but failed to surpass a key hurdle of 33,333 and drifted lower to a hit of 32,704. Banking stocks witnessed support-based buying but selling pressure towards the end of the session dragged the index to 32,700 levels. It finally concluded with losses of almost 208 points at 32,782 and formed a bearish candle on the daily scale. Sectorally, buying was seen in the metals, consumer durables, industrial, IT and realty stocks, while profit taking was seen in power utilities, banks, and energy spaces. Among sectors, the metal index rose nearly 4%, while infra and IT index gained a percentage each. Some selling was seen in the banking names. Broader indices performed a notch better than the benchmark, with BSE mid-cap and small-cap rising rose more than 0.5% each. What can a trader expect tomorrow? In the next trading session, if Nifty trades below 14,821 levels, it shall correct sharply with the initial targets placed around 14,650 levels, but that should significantly weaken the bullish case in the near term. Contrary to this, strength can be expected if Nifty manages a strong close above 14,900 levels. Till then, one should prepare for a sideways trend, but with a negative bias, as suggested by experts. A breakout above the resistance level of 14,900 will be positive from a short-term perspective. If the Nifty sustains above 14,900, the momentum can take the Nifty towards 15,300 levels. Momentum indicators like RSI and MACD support the upside move, a signal that the short-term trend is likely to stay positive. If the index gets past around 14,950 on a closing basis, it can move towards 15,300 to 15,400 levels. But a drift downwards and a break below 14,500 will further see a slip through at 14,200 levels. Bank Nifty needs to decisively cross and hold about 33,000 levels for an up move towards 33,500 and 34,000 levels, while on the downside support is seen at 32,500 and 32,000 levels. As stated by Goldstone expert, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Until the Nifty manages a strong close above 14,900 levels, one should prepare for sideways trend but with a negative bias. Therefore, experts advise intraday traders to short below 14,820 and look for a modest target close to 14,700 levels. Follow support and resistance level along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Be a part of Goldstone family on Facebook. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.